Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious, juicy meatballs in just a few simple steps. Here's what you'll need: ground beef. Then add some breadcrumbs. After that, just 1 egg. Add some minced garlic find, some nice grated Parmesan cheese, and finally fresh parsley, salt, and pepper. That's it. Start by combining 1 pound of ground beef with half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, a clove of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan, a tablespoon of chopped parsley, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now get in there with your hands and mix everything until just combined. Be gentle. You don't want to overmix or the meatballs can get tough. Next, roll the mixture into small balls about the size of a golf ball. Try to keep them all the same size so they cook evenly. Heat up a bit of olive oil in a pan on medium heat and cook the meatballs for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until they're golden brown on all sides. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked meatballs, ready to serve with pasta, in a sub, or on their own with marinara sauce. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.